The Mini John Cooper Works Challenge took track driving performance to a new level, while also offering a thrilling on-road driving experience that didn't sacrifice everyday comforts and refinement. Based on the ultimate performance Mini, the John Cooper Works hatch, the Challenge took more than just inspiration from the current, at the time, Challenge-specific racing car. The small, passionate development team based at Mini Plant Oxford in the UK worked in partnership with key suppliers on the racing car to develop the best solutions for a genuinely credible track day machine. With its super sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, adjustable suspension, and limited slip differential, the Mini John Cooper Works Challenge took bespoke track performance to levels never before seen in the small hot hatch class. Limited to a maximum of 100 units, the Mini John Cooper Works Challenge featured a unique color combination and graphics, genuine Mini JCW Pro accessories, and was available in one fixed specific configuration. The basis for the John Cooper Works Challenge was the Mini John Cooper Works hatch, manufactured like other Mini vehicles at Mini Plant Oxford. It was there that a small group of Mini employees had a dream to create a Mini that was specifically designed and developed to excel on a racing circuit while maintaining perfectly usable manners on the public road. They collected their ideas outside of work time, fueled by the desire to create a car that truly unlocked the performance potential of the latest Mini hatch on a racing circuit. Extensive testing was then carried out on a range of circuits throughout the UK, with considerable road mileage also accrued as the specification and settings of the car were fine-tuned. The Mini John Cooper Works Challenge came to life in Building 71, a nondescript unit at Plant Oxford that houses OX4 Racing, a racing team run exclusively by Mini employees. And those are folks I wouldn't mind meeting someday myself. It can therefore be said that the Mini John Cooper Works Challenge was truly a works car for the track in the finest tradition. The Mini John Cooper Works Challenge used the latest Mini John Cooper Works hatch as its basis, itself the most potent Mini ever produced at the time. Powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine featuring Mini twin-power turbo technology, model-specific design of the pistons, turbocharger, and exhaust released 231 horsepower and 320 newton-meters of torque. That's about 237 foot-pounds of torque for the Americans out there. These prodigious outputs enabled a 0 to 62 mph time of just 6.3 seconds, with a top speed of 153 miles per hour. The Mini John Cooper Works Challenge was readily identifiable by its bespoke body addenda, including enlarged air intakes at the front for increased cooling, uniquely contoured wheel arch extensions, and a rear spoiler. Inside, John Cooper Works sport seats and sports steering wheel created the perfect environment for driving enjoyment. The standard Mini John Cooper Works is a formidable performance car on road and track, but the John Cooper Works Challenge's small engineering team at the time knew that it could be taken further still if on-track ability was prioritized to a greater degree. Realizing that the John Cooper Works hatch's power output was already ample, the team concentrated their efforts in the areas of chassis, tires, and braking. Many road cars are said to be inspired by the world of motor racing, but the link with John Cooper Works Challenge was a more genuine one than most. The engineers turned to Nitron for the suspension, Mintex for the braking requirements, Quaife for the traction benefits of a limited slip differential, and Team Dynamics for some particularly lightweight alloy wheels. Wheels I wouldn't mind getting myself, but they're a little difficult to get in the US. All these brands supplied the Mini John Cooper Works racing car that competes in the top class of the UK Mini Challenge. Not only was the team searching for ultimate track performance, but the Mini John Cooper Works Challenge was also a car that rewarded enthusiast drivers on the public road, while maintaining everyday usability. To that end, it seemed imperative that the John Cooper Works Challenge featured a suspension that could be adjusted by the driver to the environment in which the car was being driven. UK-based suspension supplier Nitron had provided coilover spring and damper units based on its NTR R1 system. These were adjustable for bump and rebound, as well as for overall ride height. The R1 was a direct development of the racing dampers used on the John Cooper Works racing car, and was hand-built with many titanium and hard anodized parts to the very highest quality standards. Camber adjustment plates on the front axle allowed for an increase in negative camber, with the John Cooper Works Challenge possessing 2 degrees of negative camber on both the front and rear axle. Thanks to both camber and caster being adjustable, the suspension geometry of the car was significantly different to that of the standard car. The Mini John Cooper Works Challenge was supplied with recommended settings for both road and track driving. The damper units offered adjustment through numerous clicks. but owners could choose to experiment with their own settings to tune the car precisely to their tastes. For superior traction when powering out of corners, the John Cooper Works Challenge was fitted with a Quaife automatic torque biasing (ATB) limited slip differential in place of the standard car's open item. This proven component, which used helical gears instead of a plate-type LSD, offered a seamless operation without any abrupt lockup, and assisted braking performance as well as transferring power away from a spinning front wheel during acceleration. The Quaife ATB differential works in combination with all standard fit electronic systems, DSC, performance control, etc. Few aspects of a car affect track performance more than tires, and the John Cooper Works Challenge engineering team spent a lot of time during the development process testing different makes and compounds to find not only a tire that gave the most grip on a circuit, but one that also worked well on the road. The solution was the acclaimed Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2, original equipment for a host of high-performance cars, and uniquely able to summon extremely high grip levels without causing any refinement issues. The Mini John Cooper Works Challenge retained the 17-inch wheel size of the standard John Cooper Works hatch, but featured two 1545 R17 tires on a 7.5-inch wheel, 0.5 inches wider than the original specification rim that uses a 205/45/17. The wheels were also specifically chosen for ultimate performance. The Team Dynamics Pro Race 1.2 rims saved 1.5 kilograms of unsprung mass per corner. Combined with the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, this weight advantage further increased to 2.5 kilograms per corner. The John Cooper Works Challenge employed grooved and part-drilled 330mm front discs with 4-pot Brembo-developed calipers, sourced from the Mini John Cooper Works Pro accessories range. These were paired with specially developed Mintex brake pads. This combination offered superb braking power with excellent resistance to fade on the track. The John Cooper Works Challenge took full advantage of the Mini JCW Pro accessories which were already available for the John Cooper Works hatch at the time. The JCW Pro Aero Kit, which featured lower front splitters, rear spoiler add-ons for the already large roof spoiler, rear diffuser, and rear splitters for additional aerodynamic performance, enhanced the already distinctive, aggressive exterior styling. The carbon fiber air intake further enhanced the look of this model, as did the carbon fiber mirror covers. A JCW Pro exhaust with carbon fiber tailpipe finishers not only maximized the flow of spent gases, but also gave the John Cooper Works Challenge a purposeful roar. It could be controlled via a Bluetooth link, which offered a choice of sport and track sound levels. This exhaust is still available today for select Mini models. The grooved brake discs were also taken from the JCW Pro accessories range, although the Mintex pads fitted to the Challenge were unique to this model. Mini only built 100 units of the John Cooper Works Challenge, and they were all available exclusively with a 6-speed manual transmission. Every John Cooper Works Challenge was painted in white silver, could be readily identifiable by a bespoke graphics package, and had the 17-inch alloy wheels finished in black. Black roof and mirror caps completed this unique style. Inside, the Dynamica cloth interior combination was also finished in carbon black. The passenger side fascia of each car bared its unique build number in the series, testament to the exclusivity of this unique model. The standard specification included piano black interior trim, rear park distance control, rain sensor with auto headlight activation, and adaptive LED headlights. No amendments to the standard specification were possible, and the original price was £32,000. The Mini John Cooper Works Challenge was unveiled to the public for the first time on the Mini stand at Goodwood Festival of Speed in June of 2016. I have always wondered why they could specially equip Mini models for the European markets, but we could never get models like that in the US. Given that the current European market special edition is built through Bulldog Racing, it would seem that the possibility of warranty issues within Mini meant that these limited run special editions could not be offered in the US market. Like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video, and thanks for watching.